Okay, let's look at the data output stream. Fine, clear. This is about the random access file basically till that point. Okay, next thing is about the data output stream. Fine. So data output stream, there's nothing much. Okay, it extends from filter output stream. Okay, so it has methods of the output stream. Fine. It's a filter output stream. So what about the constructors and implements? Okay, I should mention this. Implements data output that we had seen, right? Okay, so constructors. See, if someone says filter output stream subclass, that means the constructor would take as parameter output stream. So the constructor for data output stream is one which only takes output stream as a parameter. So you can work with any output stream. Methods from superclass and there's no other thing, right? You have methods of data output, you have methods of output stream also. So close method, and all those methods will be there, right? Close, flush, right? Write methods, anyway, they are part of data output interface. Other than that, close and flush, that would also be available to the data outputs. Oh, this is data output stream, sorry. Okay, when data output stream constructor is like this, same way, data input stream, and exactly similar thing. Data input stream extends from filter input stream implements data input. Okay, constructors constructor will be fine. So yeah, okay, it requires input stream and method from superclass. Fine. Yeah, so see how you might use this. You know, if you look at the entire class hierarchy, what we find is, as far as the byte streams are concerned, print stream is adding lot of methods. Okay, you get the easy methods. If it's you're dealing with text, you'll use the print the print and the println methods, printf method, format method, and all of those would be quite useful. Okay, if you are dealing with binary data, you will be required many places to be able to write int value or something, right? 4-byte int value, or long value, or all those things, right? So can I do it on a file? File input stream, file output stream doesn't have a method like that. In a file, I want to put binary data. For a file, what do I need? File output stream. So what should I be doing? Create a file output stream, fine, and then create the data output stream, where file output stream is a parameter. So you get this functionality for any output stream. Here the filter streams, the purpose is this: add functionality to work on any output stream. This functionality is not available in output stream. See, print stream, when they created it, yes, it was in 1.0. That time they fine. So they said, okay, text output converting to text and putting in something. Oh, that kind of functionality, the print and the println methods. So it's a subclass of the filter output stream. You can see that print stream subclass is the filter output stream. Okay, and those two were the first initial methods they had, initial constructors for the print stream. There were two constructors. One was output stream. Second constructor was saying output stream and auto flush. Okay, fine. Later, yes, then they in the later versions they added the other constructors where you can give a file or any such thing, or even the char set, dealing with char set. Char set, basically the class char set has come in 1.4. Okay, fine. And the character based streams came in 1.1. Okay, so in the beginning is what it was. Right? So clear the filter streams, all those classes where the constructor is taking output stream, understand, that's giving me option of enhancing or giving some functionality to any kind of other output stream. And so you could be creating a print stream, okay, on top of a data output stream, which has been created on top of a file output stream. Okay, fine. So you can keep the object of the data output stream as well as the object of the print stream. And then what will happen? You use method on the print stream object, it goes into that same file, right? You can be using also the methods of data output, and it's still going into the same file. Okay, fine. We'll continue on Monday. Yeah, Monday we'll be taking the object streams, and the what is now remaining in the IO part is the object streams.